Hello everybody, I hope you're having an amazing day. Your traveling chef today taking you to the Big Apple, New York City. We're going to this beautiful Italian festival. A lot of food has been happening here since 1926. And it's the biggest Italian-American food parade festivals in the United States. We're going inside in a minute, so let's go guys and check it out. So I'm getting my sausage and pepper, guys. So this is my favorite here so far. I looked around and I really like this guy here. They have awesome sausage. Yes, please. So he's asking me spicy, of course. The hotter the better, sir.
I love the spicy.
So I'm waiting. Yes, I'm waiting for this sausage to come up, and I'm gonna eat it in a few seconds, guys.
It's right there.
Say so. It's very delicious. I'm gonna go for this big guy here. It's looking at you right here. So let's go for the first bite and I'll tell you what I feel. Oh yeah. Very spicy, so I got the spicy one because I like it hot. I got some onion. I'm gonna dish myself a little bite here. So delicious. Very spicy. For you guys who like spice, that's the perfect one. I really like that one. I'm gonna chase it with one more bite. Let me get some of this onion, some of that bread. Beautiful. That's a good true Italian sausage. I love that. Cheers. So I'm getting some of the stuffed artichoke here, guys, and the rapino is very favorite among the Italian cuisine. So I really like that. Stuffed with breadcrumb, it has pine nuts, great cheeses, and they all mixed together. They steam it in a very, very nice way. So I'm getting one of those stuffed artichoke. That's a must when you come to those festivals. Let's go and try it. How much, brother?
That's 10. You want a fork and a knife for that, or you're okay?
Just a fork, please. Thank you very much. Thanks, man. Alright guys, so I'm getting in this beautiful guy here. It's like a bouquet of flowers here. You have the artichoke and it's filled stuffed with this great delicacies. It's got pine nuts, it's got 3 cheeses, it has a lot of breadcrumb and beautiful parsley here. And they actually do it. I used to make that in my restaurant. It's actually stuffed very well with all of this mixture, and it's also steamed for almost 2 hours. So you steam it very gently and it looks very, very delicious. The way you eat that, you can have a leaf of the artichoke, the carfino rapino, what they call it. And you get the edge of the artichoke is with the taste, with the flavor. And of course you can dig in and try this yummy filling. The filling is the best part, and the more you go down, the better it's gonna taste. So I'm gonna go deep down here. I'm gonna take a dive, and I get to the end of this guy, and I'm not gonna lose this leaf. I promise you, I'm gonna get this right. It goes in my mouth. I'm not letting this go anywhere. I'm gonna go one more time. It's so delicious. Very, very simple, very beautiful flavor, very delicious actually. And my favorite food, Italian cuisine, is all about simplicity. It's all about the simple, great ingredients put together in a very melody way. Beautiful, delicious flavor. I love those guys, great delicacy. And you can have that with your beer, your favorite Pinot, and you go for it. And I lost the leaf here, I'm gonna pick it up in a minute. I'm just gonna keep going, and you keep going with those leaves. And everybody's looking at me now with this gorgeous artichoke here. Nobody knew what is that, but I know that very well because I cooked it and I serve it to my restaurant customers. So cheers to this beautiful, great bowl of the artichoke. I like that, very different, it's a must try. If you ever go to Sicilian restaurant, that's a very good famous dish there. Very nice. And I can't get enough of this, guys. I'm just keep getting these delicious leaves. And the end of the leaf, that's what you eat. The very, very end of it, that's what you eat actually. It's not much to eat in there, but it's very delicious. It's very delicacy. It's great from those guys here to give us this great delicacy. I was so surprised to find that because it's actually a artichoke and it's from Sicily. This is originally from Sicily. And they make it very well over there. They steam it, and some lady here, she's really loving this artichoke.
Oh, definitely.
Come in the video here, honey, come. So this lady saw, she said,
Love
oh, this beautiful artichoke.
Love
So
that.
cheers, you can have a couple of leaves.
No, thank you. Where'd you get that?
From right there, from those easy guys.
Oh, okay.
I'm not advertising anybody, I'm just telling people how it's beautiful, it's gorgeous. Enjoy it. Back again to my food. She really wanted to try that, but she was shy enough to walk away, and I was very generous. Italians are very generous people. They offer you. So I offered her to try this artichoke, and once you start to pop, you cannot stop, I promise you that. Start popping those leaves and you will not be able to stop. Very nice. I was very, very happy to see this great artichoke, and it looks very delicious. And I suggest if you want to try this, you do not want to rush while you eat it. You want to relax, sit down. It's not what's happening right now in this crazy house here, but you should sit down and relax and enjoy leaf by leaf. Enjoy your white wine with it, and you're gonna enjoy it, I promise. I made tons of mess here, but I really enjoyed that. So we move on to the next stop. Let's see what's happening here and what I'm gonna eat next. I'm still very hungry. I'm not sure about you, but I'm still gonna go and eat more. So let's go. So guys, the celebration, the beginning of the celebration. Beautiful cars, nice caddies, beautiful looking people everywhere, and nice music. And look at those Cadillacs. I'd love to have one of those actually and go home with it. I'll be happy with that. Okay. So look at this beautiful caddy over here. Just a nice celebration. It's just not food, but it's a parade, it's great culture, and beautiful looking people everywhere. Celebrating this Italian culture. I love that. Look at that beautiful car coming along. Look at that kid. Love that Italian going on here. Look at that guy here. That's a beautiful car. I like that one. One of my favorites. So let's go, guys, and get eating. Let's finish with that celebration and get to the business.
Pizza Napolitana. Wood fire pizza, guys.
Only one vegetarian. Thank you. Thank you very much. So I'm getting my pizza here, guys, and I like the size of those pizza they made over there in this beautiful pizza place. We have a lot of wood fire oven pizza, so I'm gonna try one of those. And it's very loud here, but you guys, I hope you can hear me, and I'm gonna try this pizza in a minute. So it's cooked in the wood fire oven, and it's a very nice size actually, just like a personal size. I like that. Okay guys, and that's how I like my pizza. Look at that beauty. What a baby, little gorgeous pizza here, personal size. I love that pizza because of so many reasons. Look at the crust in this pizza. Look at the bottom. Some of you would think it's burnt, but I don't think so. I think it's a perfect crust. Very, very crusty, very nice. And the topping is not so much. Just a little bit of topping, some artichoke hearts, margarita. Very simple, great cheese, I could see that. How about I get a bite on this instead of talking? Very nice, very chewy, and I like that. The actual elasticity of the dough is perfect. Look at the cheese. Feel this with me. Isn't it gorgeous? Look at the tomatoes trying to get out of there. No, baby, I'm getting you. I'm so happy with this pizza. I have no idea. I feel so good about it, even though it's very small. But that's what I want. I was looking all over the place for this size pizza, and the only one I could find is back there. Wood fire oven pizza, very delicate, but it's all about the crust. For you guys who love pizza, if you know, that's all about the crust, and the crust is beautiful. I'm having it here with two hands. I'm going right, I'm going left, I'm talking to you at the same time. I'm really enjoying that pizza. Great job. That's my favorite so far. Everything is great. The artichoke and the pizza. It's kind of like a toss here between both of them. Both are great. Both are very delicious. So let's go for the next stop. Let's get eating. Let's go.
I wouldn't even do that.
Alright guys, so one of the owners in Marcellino, that great restaurant here, he told me he knew that I do food blogging, so he told me, you know what, I'm gonna give you one more margarita and I'll show you how it should come out. He was very generous. I was very happy with my first one, but hey, I got more lucky. Very generous of the Italian young gentleman. He gave me that beautiful margarita. Look at the crust in this baby here. This is perfect. He told me this one, it will be the piece of art, and they are located here in Little Italy, New York City, and they make the best pizza, and I believe it looks very, very inviting. I just don't want to eat it. It's like a beautiful flower. You don't want to pick it, but I'm gonna have to. I promise you, I'm gonna enjoy that. So nice. Look at that basil. It's all about cheese, baby. It's all about the crust in this pizza, and it's so cheesy. And I see this one had the fresh mozz, and this is a real deal. I'm gonna get some of this oozing cheese here, and I'm just gonna dish it up like that.
How is it?
Beautiful, sir.
Where'd you get that from?
From this Marcellino, the best pizza here in Little Italy. So the guys here are teased, everybody's teased with this beautiful pizza. I'm not sharing. I love everybody, but they can only look. And the only eater is me, guys, and you, of course. Take a look at that pizza. Beautiful. Thumbs up to Marcellino. And that gentleman behind me here is a great guy. He just came and just offered that free pizza. This is about Italian generosity. I love Italian culture. Cheers, guys. I recommend the Marcellino. Not because he gave me the free pizza, that's I appreciate it, but it's really honest, beautiful crust, and a true Italian pizza. As good as it gets here in Little Italy in New York City. So I got, guys, some of those aperol spritz, and it's a famous Italian, beautiful, refreshing drink. And of course, when I have that gorgeous pizza, I have to try the aperol. Very famous around Italian. Very nice. So my friend Shai hooked me up. He made it very strong. So I'm getting a buzz here. And it's very refreshing, actually. It's like you're drinking some kind of like a dry liquor with that beautiful flavor of the alcohol in it. It's just great. So cheers to you guys.
Followed by the San Gennaro with the saints on the float.
Look at this gorgeous meatball, guys. Look at this big meatball. Have you ever seen bigger than that? Oops, and it's going everywhere. It's not going anywhere but in my mouth in 1 second. Thank you. So now, guys, I'm gonna dig in there. I'm looking for some cheese, of course, Parmigiano Reggiano or Pecorino, whatever they have here. And let's go and kick it up a notch here, this piece of beauty. Look at that. Look at that cheese going in there. And I'm gonna stop in a second. No, I'm not. I'm joking. I'm just gonna keep going, because I'm gonna enjoy this meatball, and it's gonna be a nice touch of the crushed chili here, some hot pepper. That's how we eat it. And let's go and try this gorgeous. Looks good, actually. Look at that meatball, how juicy it looks. And let's go for a bite. Very nice, very soft. I feel the love in here. It's made with love. Actually, it's so huge. And every time I talk to you guys, the music goes crazy behind me. It's just a madhouse here today. And I'm eating my meatball out of the street here with this gorgeous, beautiful culture here. A lot of Italian people eating, enjoying. And look at that meatball. I just bite into it before, guys. I cheated a couple of bites here, but I'm gonna show you one more time. And that beautiful texture. It's all about flavor. It's all about texture and the sauce, baby. Look at that sauce with the cheese oozing there. Look at that. Hug this meatball with some of that delicious Italian marinara. Oh yeah, baby. And open your mouth wide and let's go for it.
The beer is good too.
For a hungry man is happy. I love that. Great, beautiful meatball. It's all about meatballs. I love that. And that lady is telling me here, come in the video. She's saying it's good. I agree with you. Bravo. Great Italian meatball. Bravo to whoever made this, to Nonna. Of course, when you come to the Italian food feast, you have to try the final thing, which is the final touch, the dessert. So I have here behind me the Toronto. Toronto is delicious. It's made out of egg white milk, and it's got beautiful almond also everywhere. Tons of almond in this. Look at that. Oh my God, I just want to go and bite this, but I can't do it. But I'm tempting, actually. I also got the cannoli. I got the chocolate cannoli. I got the classic cannoli. I got all of those delicious delicacies. I got tiramisu right here sitting teasing me. And we also, if we go to the other side, we'll see some of the gelato. So here you have some of the best Italian gelatos ever offered in New York City. Look at those gelatos looking at you. So yummy, looks so delicious. I'm going to take a few seconds to decide. It's such a big decision. So I'm going to take a few seconds and really think about it. Let me take a sip of a drink and think a little bit, which one I'm going to get. I think I know already. I'm going for the cannoli, baby. So I'm going to go for an Italian cannoli. You can never miss a cannoli in any Italian feast. So let's go and check it out. Here comes my favorite time of this beautiful festival here. Got this gorgeous, it's singing with love. Look at that beautiful cannoli. Look at that ricotta in there. So cannoli is filled with ricotta. Very delicious. And every time I eat that, everybody looks at me, but I'm not letting it go. I'm going for it. Guys, I'm in love with this cannoli. So delicious. Cheers. I love that part of my trip today. That was the best part. Cannoli, baby. Italian way. It's always fun to come to New York City, guys. I had tons of fun here in Little Italy. I enjoyed San Gennaro Festival. I recommend it. Once a year in September. I look forward to see you all again. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it and I look forward to see you all. Have a great night, everybody.